So here we have our pink stuff. This is our most popular dehazer, degreaser combo. We sell a lot of this stuff. It smells really good. You're in the booth reclaiming for, you know, hours on end. The way things smell and the way they react to your skin, and it's important. So this stuff smells good. So we sell a lot of this stuff and it works really well too. So it's kind of like a semi-viscous sludge. Just drizzle it on there, apply liberally, and then take your scrub pad, clean it off a little bit here. And then just spread it around. And for this stuff, you kind of want to push it back and forth through the screen. So since it's kind of like a sludge and not so much a liquid product, pushing it back and forth, scrubbing one side of the screen, rotating and scrubbing the other side of the screen is going to be beneficial. Don't forget the frame. It's important to clean the mesh and the frame together. There's nothing worse than reaching for a coated screen and getting ink all over your hands because somebody didn't clean the frame. Okay, so clean the paws off and blast it out. All right, and voila. Clean, ready to go for emulsion, good to go.